In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the starting date on Trainerize 2025, step by step. We'll walk through 4 common scenarios so you can confidently adjust timelines without losing client progress or breaking your plans. Everything shown is on the Trainerize web app for clarity and control. First, if a client already has a program and you just want to move when it begins, open Trainerize on the web and head to Clients. Select the client, then look to the right panel for Program. Click the 3 dots next to the assigned program and choose Edit Start Date. Pick the new date on the calendar and hit Save. This shifts the entire program timeline while preserving all logged workouts, notes, and habits. It's perfect when a client is traveling, gets sick, or wants to sync their plan with a new schedule. After saving, glance at the calendar to confirm the first week lands where you expect. Next, if you're preparing a program before assigning it to anyone, go to Program, select the program you want, and click Edit Program in the top right. At the top of the program builder, you'll see Start Date. Click it, choose the new date, and save. This updates the calendar layout of the whole program template, keeping everything internally aligned. It's an efficient way to standardize start days, like always kicking off on Mondays, before you roll it out to multiple clients. For periodized training, open Programs, choose your program, and switch to the periodization or phase view. Click the phase you want to adjust, then select the calendar icon or dates and change the start date. Trainerize will ask whether you want to shift the entire program or only this phase. Pick the option that matches your intent. Shift the entire program when every phase should move together, and choose only this phase if you're inserting a deload or nudging a single block without altering later phases. Finally, if you rely on automation, go to Add-ons or Growth Tools and open Automation. Open your workflow, find the assigned program action, and decide whether the program assigns immediately or after a delay. Adjust the delay to create the start date effect you want, such as beginning 2 days after signup. When you change delays, it's a good idea to test with a dummy client to ensure the timing feels right. That's it. Save after each change, double-check calendars, and you'll keep timelines clean while protecting client data and program structure.